My name's Nigel Howells and I've been helping run the EIP Foliar Feed project. We're now nearly towards about 8 or 9 months through the first year of the project. The project really is comparing a farm's conventional protocol for fertiliser application with the Foliar Feed, which is dilute urea and humic acid solution. The idea of the project is to efficiently use nutrients in the grassland really. So we're trying to grow as much grass as we can by using certainly a lot less nutrient. I mean, in comparison, a normal application on most farms about 40 units per acre, which equates to 125 kilograms per hectare, compared to what on the Foliar Feed project plots get 20 kilograms per hectare of application rate. So it's considerably less applied on each plot, and compared to the conventional farms then. And then to monitor this and measure this, we've been plate metering every plot every week since the beginning of March. And then previously twice monthly then in February before that, and we're just monitoring sort of how much dry matter yield each plot is growing throughout the year, and this will be done then for the next 3 years really, to compare how each plot is reacting in each site, because the sites are quite differing sites, as we're here in Trwy'r, which is at roughly about 100 feet. And then we go to one site which is at 900 feet and one site which is 500 feet. So we're comparing different sites and how they react with this application then. The plots as well, we have a control plot in between both plots, and that does not get any fertiliser at all. So that will be the base to compare all the growth rates and dry matter yields really. To date, I would say, as expected, the conventional farms protocol with fertiliser, those plots are growing more than the Foliar Feed, but purely because in essence they've had about 200 kilograms of N per hectare compared to 46 kilograms of N per hectare on the Foliar Fed plots. So there's a big difference there. I mean, the difference at the moment is about a tonne to a tonne and a quarter dry matter per hectare more with the conventional plots compared to the Foliar Fed plots. And then the control plots then, they're about a tonne and a half dry matter less again on this site specifically. So it's the positive of this project at the moment, we have the same pattern in growth rates on all 4 sites, which is a huge bonus to see how it's reacting on different sites.
Hi, I'm Tony Little. I'm working on behalf of ADAS, and I'm involved in about 5 of these European Innovation Partnership projects. This project is a really interesting one. I think that it can help farmers become more efficient in terms of nutrient analysis. I think that it potentially could also help reduce leaching, because absorption of nutrients through the leaves is very rapid and very efficient. It potentially might lead to less leaching. The exciting thing for me is that it's farmer-led. It's a group of guys who said we want to look at this, and there's an opportunity for farmers to carry out their own research on their own farms. That gives them a degree of credibility when they go out and talk to their colleagues and neighbours. And it also, over time, is going to build up a group and a cohort of farmers who are not only interested in research, but have got the skills to carry it out on farm.